The PC board allows you to adjust the speed of the saw and compensates for additional load on the motor while you make a cut. This keeps the speed of the blade consistent. If the PC board fails, the saw's speed might be erratic, or the saw might bog down during a heavy cut. Sometimes the saw won't turn on when the board fails. You will need to test the cord, switch, and motor to determine that the PC board is the cause. Replacing the PC board is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the table from the scroll saw. Now remove the side cover from the lower arm. As you do this, you'll want to keep track of the fasteners because they're not all the same. Now remove 1/2 of the rear housing. With the fasteners removed, now I'll carefully remove the housing. I need to be careful here because at this point there's nothing holding the major components of the saw together. The arms, front base, and rear base are all loose at this point. Now that I have access to the circuit board, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. And now I can remove the circuit board from the housing. Now I can install the new circuit board. Likely when you receive the circuit board, the potentiometer will be attached to the board. You'll need to remove this. We'll install it later. I'll reattach the circuit board using the same screws. Now I can reattach the wires. And now I'll replace the rear housing. There's a plate on the top of the housing, and it helps to lift the upper arm as you install it. Make sure you get the strain relief through the opening in the housing. Once you're sure everything is aligned, you can begin to re-secure the housing with the screws. Now reinstall the side cover on the arm. I'll reinstall the table hinge. And secure it and the side cover with the bolt. And now I can reinstall the table. Now remove the switch cover from the saw. Now remove the dial from the potentiometer. I'll use a screwdriver to pry it off. Beneath the dial, there's a nut, and I'll go ahead and remove it. And I can disconnect the potentiometer. Now install the new potentiometer that came with the circuit board. Now I can install the potentiometer into the housing. You'll notice on one side of it there's a little tab. That tab needs to line up with the hole in the housing. First the washer, and then the nut. Now align the knob with the stem on the potentiometer and install it. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the switch housing. And now you know how to install a new PC board assembly in your scroll saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.